Strawberry and Apple are out in the mister today. So relaxing. Hi, Snooky. Parrot and Ducky are enjoying their day. Is that fun? Getting a shower? I love when they try to catch the water with their tongue. Ducky does that. Snooky's trying to catch the little water drops. Carrot, you look like you're just in heaven. Are you like in your own little spray sauna? She's in the rainforest. How you doing, baby boy? Hippo. You're just the cutest ever. Well, hi, Henry. Are you talking? Henry, you're just such a little chatterbug. You love to socialize, don't you? Henry. You looking at your brother? So the sad thing is Hippo didn't even have a name because he was just a breeder. I don't think he ever had babies with LaPeep. As far as I know, he's been with LaPeep for many, many years. I would estimate probably 18 at least. He's been passed around from breeder to breeder. And when I found this breeder 3 years ago, I asked if I could adopt them because the breeder was having health issues and could not take care of the birds. And so I did take them in. Their health was very, very bad. They had upper respiratory issues. Unfortunately, I didn't record them right when we had adopted them because I would love to have that video of what they looked like when we brought them home. They were so dirty. They were breathing so heavy. And even though Hippo is skittish and not very... Oh, you have something to say? That's the sound of the Indian ringneck. That's the female. And she's a Lutino. But... Oh my. Ruby.